Welcome for today's class 11th mathematics sets chapter exercise 1.5 question number 4 you all can take down in if universal set consists of 1 2 3 4 or till 9, then there is a set A which is having 2 4 6 8. B set is there 2 3 5 7. You'll have to verify A union B dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. A intersection B dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Okay, let us find out the fourth one. Let us do. So take down the question. If universal set U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. You'll have to verify union B dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Okay. So what is given here? Universal set is given. A set is given, B set is given. You all have to find what first? If you want to verify, first we are verifying this. A union B dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. So first let us write down A union B. A and B we will check first. Okay, what is A and B union? All the elements will be there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we have to find out the A union B dash, the elements which are there in universal set but not in A union B, those elements. So let us find out, right? See the universal set here. 1, can you all see in this? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is there. So it will be 1 and 9. Close this thing. So only 1 and 9 you will get here. Only 2 elements. Next we have to find out is A intersection B dash is equal to A dash union B dash. How to find out this now? Yeah, let us find out the complements of this set also. So first let us find out A intersection B. Right? Wait. We are done with A union B dash. So now we have to see if these two are equal. So write down A dash. How to find out A dash now? A complement. So A complement means universal set difference A. The numbers which are there, elements which are there in universal set but not there in this particular set. So what are those elements? Here 1 you can write down. Then 2, okay, is there, right? 3 is not there. 5, 7, 9. So 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay. A complement 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now let us check B complement. So B complement means universal set difference B. The elements which are there in universal set but not there in this set. So which are the elements here? So it will be 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. Okay. Now we have to find out A complement intersection B complement means we have to find out the common in this. What is common elements in this now? 1 is common and 9 is common. So write down 1, 9. Okay. So can you all say that A union B dash is equal to A intersection A complement intersection B complement. They are equal, right? So I can say that this proof is equal. Now same way we are finding the second one. Okay, let us do the second one. Now A intersection B complement. So let us find out A intersection B first. The elements which is common in A and B are only 2. Now what will be the complement of this? Complement of this will be A intersection B complement. If we are finding U difference A intersection B. So which elements will be there? It should be there in universal set, but not in this particular set. So 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Wait, in universal set consists of till 9 elements are there, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elements were there. So by mistakenly I have written it like this. So it will be 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Then we have to check A complement. A complement U minus A means the elements which are there in universal set but not there in set A. So which are those elements? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, we have already found out this, right? Next we have to find out B dash. Universal set difference B. It will be 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. See, I have already showed you all how to do this because here we have already found out A dash and B dash. So again I am not showing you all because I have already showed you all this part. So now we have to find out A dash union B dash. So from both this combining all the elements will be there 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are not repeating the numbers. But here 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all the elements are there, right? So what I can say, therefore I can say that A intersection B complement is equal to A dash union B dash. So if you all have not understood anything, any concept from here, you all can comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe. If you all have not subscribed my channel, please do like, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. If you have any doubts, queries, you all can comment below.